Today we're talking about Workhorse. We have some huge news that just came out right before the USPS contract, and this is gonna be big. Make sure to stay tuned. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into the video. As we can see today, Workhorse is on a freight train. This stock is going nuts right now. The USPS contract is October 13th, which is tomorrow. They finally decide who gets the $8 billion contract, and it is going to be huge for Workhorse. We can see Workhorse electric truck maker to sell $200 million of notes. And they will go with two unnamed institutional leaders who are getting these notes. This is huge for Workhorse. The proceeds will be used to increase and accelerate production volume and advance new products in market, replace previous higher cost financing, and support current working capital and other general corporation purposes. That is gigantic. It's so weird seeing this news come right before the contract is about to come out for USPS. Is that a little hint to something that we don't know? Or these institutions know way more than we do? Do they have an upper advantage on us? I think so. We see Workhorse shares traded at $27, up 1.68%, and now today hit $30. The stock has soared 781% this year. But imagine how much more it's going to soar if we secure this contract. I'm talking about us shareholders, because what's the point of this? It's so I can bring you value and information in Workhorse, so I can make you money, and we can all make money together. I want it to go around in full circle. So Workhorse is going nuts. We can see why though. The amount of volatility we've seen in the stock leading up to this USPS contract is huge. Please comment below if you guys think Workhorse is going to get the contract, or do you think they're going to get a part of it, or do you think they're going to be left out of the picture? I'm really curious. Also comment if you guys are already in on Workhorse, if you own the stock, and what price point you're in at. So we also see, as for the notes being purchased, they will initially be convertible in a common stock by the holders at $36 a share. Which right now Workhorse is trading at $29, $30 a share. Some good news. So at 35% over Friday's closing price. I think they have an upper advantage on knowing what's going to happen with this USPS contract, don't you? We also see the interest rate may be reduced to 2.75% under certain conditions. Workhorse has the option to make interest payments in cash or stock. Let me also remind you guys that after this transaction, Workhorse will have more than $270 million in cash available. Why do you think they need all this funding right now for production of their vehicles and to move their business along? Well, I think it's because they got this dang contract and this stock is about to explode, and all the short sellers that say, Workhorse isn't getting this contract or whatever, it's kind of like Tesla. You're going to get proven wrong. You're going to get beat. Never short sell a stock that has this much hype and has this much value going into something like the USPS contract. If they get an $8 billion deal, what do you think is going to happen with the stock? Also comment that too, guys. What do you think is going to happen if USPS gets it? Do you think it doubles? Do you think it only goes up 50%? Goes to $40, $50? Drop your price targets down below. I'd be curious to see that too. All in all, the note exchange will occur on or about Wednesday. Quote, with this financing in place, we can more quickly advance our production efforts heading into 2021 by increasing our supply chain component volumes, hiring more manufacturing employees, and automating certain sub-assembly processes. So why do you think they're hiring more manufacturing employees? Why do you think they're increasing their supply chain? I think it's because they got this contract. I am so ready for tomorrow, guys. I am so desperate to see how this whole contract is going to plan out and what is going to happen with Workhorse. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. It helps me out so much and really pushes my content out there. I really would appreciate it also if you guys subscribed for more videos like this. They are coming. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much. I am out. Peace.